This hailstone is so dangerous and huge. It's like actual stones are falling from the sky. Back in 2011, a massive tsunami struck Japan, with powerful waves covering vast areas and leaving widespread devastation in its wake. The water transformed this house into a boat and carried it away on its powerful currents. Dangerous Typhoon Karthon is wreaking havoc on the island of Taiwan, bringing terrifying floods and heavy rainfall. On November 30th, 2018, a powerful 7.1 magnitude earthquake hit Alaska. Although locusts are relatively small, their impact can be devastating when they swarm in large numbers. These massive groups can inflict severe damage to farmland and crops. As you can see in the video, landslide in Norway has swept houses into the sea, causing significant destruction.
Okay, just got home.
That's not good. Watch it burn? Ain't nothing I'm doing. Sounds like a vest in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm videoing. What? That's crazy, yo. Oh yeah.
This volcanic eruption occurred in the Philippines, where the rise of lava upon contact with the lake's water triggered a violent explosion. This man is trapped in the floodwaters.
Oh man, oh this is scary guys. Yeah man, I'm sorry, I did not mean to swear. Holy moly.